The REDMAGIC Nova gaming tablet has made its highly anticipated debut in China, redefining the standards for gaming tablets. As the sole tablet equipped with the innovative Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading edition processor, the REDMAGIC Nova promises to deliver unrivaled performance even for the most resource-intensive games. This innovative device combines advanced cooling technology, a stunning high-resolution display, and impressive battery life to provide an exceptional gaming experience that sets it apart from the competition. What sets the REDMAGIC Nova apart in the gaming industry is its groundbreaking performance capabilities. At the heart of this tablet lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading edition processor, boasting a formidable CPU frequency of up to 3.4 GHz and a GPU frequency reaching 1 GHz. This powerful combination, coupled with the lightning-fast LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.0 storage, ensures seamless gameplay and rapid load times, eliminating any frustrating lags or delays. In rigorous REDMAGIC Lab tests, the Nova achieved an impressive AnTuTu score of 252,902, solidifying its position as the go-to choice for serious gamers seeking top-tier performance. The REDMAGIC Nova boasts a large 10.9-inch LCD with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels. The display supports a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. Through this, the gaming tablet ensures smooth and responsive visuals. The tablet also features super resolution technology, which the team optimized for Genshin Impact. This results in enhanced visual fidelity and provides a more immersive gaming experience. The REDMAGIC Nova delivers an immersive gaming experience with its 4-array speaker system. It can deliver rich and detailed audio. There is a large X-axis linear vibration motor. It offers precise and tactile feedback, enhancing the gaming immersion. The tablet also features special optimizations for many popular games. That includes Peace Elite, Asphalt 9, PUBG Mobile, and Knives Out. The REDMAGIC Nova gaming tablet comes in 3 configurations to cater to different storage needs. The REDMAGIC Nova incorporates a sophisticated cooling system. It is there to ensure optimal performance and prevent overheating. This system includes a 9-layer passive cooling solution and an active cooling fan. The fan operates at 20,000 RPM. This makes the system capable of dissipating heat and maintaining peak performance. The REDMAGIC Nova packs a large 10,100 mAh battery. This offers ample power for extended gaming sessions. The tablet supports 120-watt fast charging, allowing it to recharge to 50% in 15 minutes. A full charge takes under 45 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. For selfies and video calls, the REDMAGIC Nova features a 20-megapixel front-facing camera. On the rear, you'll find a 50-megapixel main camera capable of capturing high-quality images and videos. The REDMAGIC Nova embraces the iconic semi-transparent design seen in its previous devices. Its construction is of aluminum, glass, and RGB lighting. This combination creates a visually striking and futuristic aesthetic. The gaming tablet is available in 2 colorways, Cyclone and Snowfall. All in all, REDMAGIC Nova is a solid gaming tablet. It has what it takes to offer the performance mobile gamers need. Moreover, the other aspects make it a great Android tablet for productivity and entertainment. To further elevate the gaming experience, the REDMAGIC Nova includes enhanced connectivity features such as REDMAGIC Cube AI and Gravity X 2.0, supporting various gaming modes and seamless projection capabilities. The tablet also features 4 symmetrical speakers for immersive audio, 3 built-in microphones for clear communication, and high-quality cameras for photography and video conferencing. Additionally, the device supports NFC, fingerprint unlocking, and a versatile Type-C interface, offering convenience and security for users. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.